Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming makeup videos and I feel like doing this review all along with this beautiful thing on my face. Do you know what I mean? So if you want to know how I made this, don't forget to subscribe, go back and check the videos. I think it will be up soon before this particular one, so go and check it out and see this beautiful thing on my face and how I did it, and you'll be glad you did. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and today I have something to review. So y'all know how I've always complained about my knuckle, back of my knuckle. Guys, we're getting there. I'm almost, almost set. My knuckle is almost clear, just running a little bit, just a teeny bit, and everything will be gone. And the rashes on my face is almost out. My chest is almost gone. And I'm gonna tell you the secret. The secret is nothing but what I'm about to say right now. So of course, a lot of negativity online, and a lot of people will come up and tell you how, oh yeah, you're bleaching your skin and all that. The truth of the matter remains that bleaching your skin or not bleaching your skin, is a choice. It's a choice. If you choose to do it and your skin accepts it, well, fair enough. If it doesn't accept it, fair enough. It could either harm you, cause you trouble, or cause you skin disease and skin problems and things like that. When it comes to hydroquinone is a substance that I would say is a substance that gets into your body to stop your skin from producing melanin. Melanin. That's what it is. I do not pronounce that well. There are some words I don't pronounce right. Whatever you want to call it, but I can't pronounce it right. That's just what it is. Melanin. That's what it is. Girl, so you know what I mean. It gets into your body, it stops producing that, it blocks it from producing that, and so you don't get any dark like the melanin coming out of your skin anymore, which is like dark knuckles, dark black pigmentation and things like that. That's what I know hydroquinone to be. And online, according to the research I read online, that hydroquinone is actually not bad for the skin. That is good for the skin. It nourishes your skin, it makes your skin look so smooth and beautiful. But too much of it is too much. If you have a little bit of it in your cream and it works for you, I don't see any reason why it should be alarming and saying someone is bleaching. It's just to maintain your skin color, isn't it? Because the weather out there is really terrible and it can really harm you, and it's ash there and all that. But the truth of the matter remains that people will come on here to tell you that, oh, you're bleaching your skin, oh, you're not bleaching your skin. So many people out there who are doing skin product review, they will lie to you and tell you how good this is, but the truth of the matter remains that none of them are using this product. They are all buying it to review it. They are all buying it just to obviously get viewers and all that. But I try as much as I can to try all this some of these products, not really all of them, because I don't just put everything I see on the way on my skin. So I must have tried it, I must have read about it, see other people use it before I could say yes, I want to say something about this. So this particular one I have right here is Skin Light, right there. So the cover right here is orange in color, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and at a point, it's still brand new in there, still full in there. It's light yellow inside it. The color of it is light yellow. I wish my camera can focus so that you will see what is inside it. I'm gonna make it focus. Right, that's it. This is what is inside it. It's light yellow and it's thick. and it smells like relaxer. So it doesn't have a good smell, and I'm gonna read what is written on here to show you what it is. It said skin light with carrot extract and vitamin E. So this particular product cream has been developed to take gentle care of your skin and soften, conveys and even complexion helps reviewing dark blotches and pimples, makes your skin healthy, radiant, soft and satin smooth. So quality not altered by the change algorithm. Okay, so this is like the warning in case you're buying it and it's opened already. When this thing came, it came sealed, so I removed it and been looking at it. This expires in 2022 and I've tried this in a couple of days, and it feels like when you put it on yourself, I'm gonna try doing that now. When you put it on yourself, or rather your palm, it feels kind of way. It feels like water. It dissolves immediately, melts immediately like water. All gone. This is it. It's gone. And you can, like, it moisturizes your skin, I would say. I know some time ago I did a review of K.Brother. It smells exactly like K.Brother. The difference is that this one has a little bit of hydroquinone in it, and then that one doesn't have any hydroquinone. They smell similar, they look similar in color, and I'm suspecting they might be the same thing because people are cunning. They could just obviously transfer one to another. They smell the same, they look the same, the moisturizer is the same, they feel the feeling and everything when you're using it and all that. It feels really the same. So I don't know what to think about it. I don't know what to say about it. I've not used it for long. I've been using it on my knuckles and honestly it's working for me. Girl, if you're using this and it's burning your skin or it's giving you problems on your skin, don't say I asked you to use it. I didn't ask you to use anything. I'm trying to review something that has worked for me. I bought it and it worked for me and I'm using it. If you buy it and it's not working for you, just say, oh, because my skin and your skin are not the same. So you can't just say, she said use it. I never say you should use it. I'm saying my opinion. If you think you're okay with it, you want to try it out, go ahead, fair enough. But if you think it's not gonna work for you, and no one pushing you right here to buy this thing, and nobody is asking you to, oh, go and she said go and buy it and all that. Nobody's telling you to buy anything. No one's gonna be there when you're having a skin problem. So please, before you use this cream, try and know that the ingredients in it does not hurt your skin and that you don't have a skin problem or something like that. Please do your research before using this cream, because I've done my research. I've seen someone using it and it's good on their skin, and I'm like, why not? I'm gonna try it out. It's my money, it's my skin, it's my everything. So I try to do what I gotta do, you know what I mean, to get rid of this knuckle. And I don't care what anyone is saying that, oh yeah, you're bleaching your skin. I ain't bleaching no skin, you know what I mean. I'm bleaching no skin. I'm just trying to get my knuckle back to normal, because I was using hot water to wash my plate, but right now I had to rectify that and I had to figure it out and I had to get that off the way. So you know what I mean. I am not telling you to use this, girl. You are on your own, period. You are on your own, period. So so far so good. This cream is doing wonders. I ain't gonna lie. Teme is doing wonders. To you, I don't know. Go check it out if he's gonna do wonders for you. If he does wonders for you, praise Jesus. If he's not doing wonders for you, okay, I'm gonna tell you something that I noticed at the course of using this cream. The very first 3 to 5 days, it's gonna give you rashes. Your body is gonna itch. It will give you some things. Obviously, it's written on it that when you use it for a few days, your body might not accept it, but hold on to it After that, everything disappears. That means your body is used to it, your body has accepted it. But if it continues to 10-20 days, my friend, run for your life. My friend, drive the fastest boat you can see and run for your life. But the truth of the matter remains that if you use it the first time, depending on your body type, it might give you rashes, which it did to me. It gave me rashes on my face. I used it on my face the first time, second time, third time. I saw rashes on my face. But because they said keep using it, don't stop, because your body's trying to get used to it, I kept on using it. I went ahead, used it, and then the rashes stopped. They all went in. I don't have anything on my face anymore. No rash on my face anymore. They all cleared out. They are all gone to Enzyme. They're not coming back again. I'm gonna keep using my thing because I bought it with my money, you know what I mean? And yeah. Yes. So that is it for this cream, Skin Light. I'm not sure if it's banned. I'm not sure if it's prohibited. I'm not sure if it's something that you're not allowed to review or something. But I'm telling you, bitch, this worked for me. You know what I mean? It worked for me, so get it if it works for you. Right there. Alright guys, that is me reviewing this cream. That is me telling you my experience with this cream in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, few days. Like Friday is like 4 to 5 days now. I've known this cream, and this cream has loved me. It has come to stay. It has given me joy. It has cleared away all my dark knuckles, and I'm gonna keep using it. I don't care. It's my choice. Your opinion may or may not matter, so think about it before using it. Does that make any sense? Cheers guys, and I'll see you in my next other video. Peace out. Bye.